Hello everyone, welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will be taking a quick look at an innovative device made by Core Haegwang Tongchun, a subsidiary of SugarCube, which specializes in modifying and innovating fun modern handheld Android devices. Today we have a device called N97elite Handheld Android, which comes with a sliding screen design. The sliding cover is the most prominent feature of the design, as the top can be pulled off to reveal the buttons or keyboard. The sliding feature may give a sense of the future, which is similar to the design reminiscent of the classic Nokia N97 smartphone, attractive with a physical keyboard sliding cover design. Slide cover size 119 by 56 millimeters automatically connects to the handle when the cover is opened, and the handle closes automatically when the cover is closed. The cross-disc key can be freely converted to joystick mode, allowing you to play while charging directly, and supports large external screens. The device has a printed cover, a light and processed aluminum metal, designed to fit the size of the hands and use for a long period without feeling bored or tired. This is due to the non-sharp edges of the corners of the device. In addition to the sliding mechanism, it is the most prominent feature of this device, as this feature adds a modern and distinctive character to it, as the user pulls the top to reveal the buttons or keyboard while saving space. The sliding mechanism contributes to making the device compact in the closed position, making it easy to carry in the pocket or bag. The size of the device is very suitable, as the size of the N97 Elite is compact. It comes in a suitable size, making it easy to carry in the hand and suitable for continuous use. The size is suitable for mobile games that require precise control. One of the strong features of this device is that it is not difficult to carry due to its relatively small design compared to other. The device is more comfortable to carry for long periods as it weighs 252 grams, which is very similar to modern smartphones in terms of shape and design. The device's sound hole is strategically designed, allowing for high-quality sound with a clear and crisp listening experience. The speaker hole is conveniently located on the side edge of the device, making the sound clearer while gaming or listening to music. The N97 Elite has an innovative ventilation design. The ventilation holes are conveniently located on the back or side of the device, allowing good airflow and preventing the device from overheating during continuous use. It has an internal fan, which is designed to be silent and effective in keeping the device's temperature stable. The fan helps cool the internal parts of the device, especially when running heavy-duty applications. The presence of an internal fan increases the device's lifespan and reduces the possibility of heat-related malfunctions, making the device ideal for extended use without worrying about overheating. The N97 Elite Handheld Android is a great example of combining comfort and ease of use with a modern design. The design of the buttons on this device is simply admirable. The physical metal buttons on the device have been carefully designed to be easily accessible. The power button and volume button are perfectly positioned, making it easy to control the device with one hand without having to move your hand. The virtual buttons on the screen, such as the back button and the main menu button, work smoothly. These buttons provide a very quick response when pressed, enhancing the user experience. The buttons with curved edges and elegantly designed edges make them easy to use without any hassle. The volume control buttons are also sized to be less prone to accidental presses, but remain easily accessible. The buttons are made of high-quality materials, giving them a luxurious and durable feel when used. In addition, the body design ensures that the device is comfortable in the hand, making it easy to navigate through the buttons for long periods without fatigue. Overall, the button design on the N97 Elite Handheld Android device reflects the company's keenness to improve the user experience and provide complete comfort in handling the device. The carefully designed openings show attention to detail. They are unobtrusive and do not significantly affect the appearance of the device. However, they remain effective in delivering the required performance in ventilation and sound. The compact and modern design ensures that everything works in balance. Thanks to the improved design of the sound and ventilation openings, users will not feel the device getting hot or underperforming during intensive use. Also, the distribution of sound through the well-designed openings ensures a great listening experience for audio content or calls. The design of the N97 Elite Handheld Android device is characterized by the intelligent distribution of the sound and ventilation openings, while providing good cooling for the internal components. The sound opening provides excellent sound quality, while the ventilation contributes to maintaining the temperature of the device, which contributes to improving the overall performance. All these factors make the device suitable for comfortable daily use without worrying about heat or sound problems. The screen of the N97 Elite Handheld Android device is one of its most prominent features that contribute greatly to improving the user experience. Here is a detailed review of the screen. The device comes with a Samsung Full HD AMOLED touchscreen with a size of 4.6 at a frequency of 60 Hz, with support for a 12-megapixel camera on the back of the slide panel screen. The screen of the N97 Elite Handheld Android device is a powerful addition to the user experience. With a high display resolution, excellent brightness, and bright and vibrant colors, it provides a comfortable and smooth visual experience in all uses. Whether you are watching entertainment content or browsing the internet, you will find that the screen provides excellent performance. The N97 Elite comes with a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor that provides fast and smooth performance in all daily applications. Whether you are browsing the internet, watching videos, or using heavy applications such as games or photo editing, the processor provides a very responsive experience. The N97 Elite is equipped with Wi-Fi 5 support, which ensures a fast and stable connection to home or public internet networks. The device supports Bluetooth 5.0 or higher, allowing you to quickly connect with other devices such as wireless headphones, smartwatches, and other devices that rely on Bluetooth connection. The high range of Bluetooth connection ensures stable connection without losing signal even at relatively long distances. The N97 Elite has a USB-C port that allows you to transfer data quickly in addition to fast charging. This feature provides fast connection with computers and other devices. It also supports USB OTG technology that enables you to easily connect other devices such as flash memory or keyboards. The device includes a high-precision GPS unit, allowing you to benefit from mapping and navigation applications such as Google Maps with high accuracy. You will be able to easily determine your location and guide you through the roads effectively, whether you are in the city or remote areas. Voice and video communication. The ability to make voice and video calls over the internet using modern applications